Let's see how you can actually use GPT 5.1 model to build AI agents for your own business and deploy them on your Facebook page, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, SMS, even on the website and other channels too. So the OpenAI has recently released this GPT 5.1 model. So it is the next series in the GPT 5 models, which balances intelligence and speed for a wide range of agentic and coding tasks. So GPT 5.1 dynamically adapts how much time it spends thinking based on the complexity of the task, making the model significantly faster and also more token efficient on simple everyday tasks as well. So here, if you want to use the latest model from the OpenAI, first of all, you need to connect your API keys from the OpenAI platform. So go to settings over here. So let me go to the settings, integrations, and you need to grab the API keys from the OpenAI platform and connect it. So here we have already connected the API keys. So that's why we are actually seeing this sort of window. But if you are wondering how to connect those API keys, click on learn more. Here we have a guide on how to grab the API keys from the OpenAI platform itself. So you can use your ChatGPT account to log in to OpenAI platform as well and create a new secret key and connect it on our platform. So once it is done, you will see this sort of window, and here we are the AI hub. You can actually create any sort of AI agents for your own business, where you can include all the information about your own business as well. So here, for example, let me open this particular business information about the painting company. So here we have all the information about that specific company, the services they provide, the areas they cover, the opening hours, and here we have some pricing information as well, along with some other details too. So here, likewise, you can actually create these sort of information for your own business. So you can also use this prompt generator tool over here and simply enter your website address and create any sort of prompts as you like. So once you have created it, you can actually use the AI hub, create a new AI agent and use it to build your AI agent for your own business. So here we have created this one. So let me use this one over here. And if you are wondering how to set the model over here, you can click on this option button over here and choose the model you are going to use. So in this case, we are going to use the GPT 5.1, which is the latest model. So it will respond to the customer's questions based on this specific model. So here in your account, you have the option to connect other AI models too. So if you go to integrations, OpenAI, you can even connect other models like Google Gemini, Cloud, XAI, DeepSeek. So here you have the option to set the specific priority as well. For example, let's say if I want to use a GPT 5.1 right here, and if the GPT 5.1 fails, then it will use a model from the cloud, and here you can choose the specific model as well. And if both of these model fails, then you can use Google Gemini as well. And here, suppose if you want to set the priority for the Google Gemini, you can actually simply move this up as you like and set the priority as well. But in this video, I'm going to explain how to use GPT 5.1. So let's set the priority 1 for the GPT 5.1 model. And here you have the option to set up other parameters as well, like temperature and the tokens as well. And let me click save for now. Alright, it has been saved, and you have to make this as the default agent as well. Alright, so it's now set up as the default agent, and you have to do one more settings over here. Go to settings over here, choose integrations, OpenAI ChatGPT. Make sure to switch this on. Automatically use the default agent to respond to user messages. So this will simply work on all the connected channels on this specific account, including Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and other channels. And here you can even create voice responses as well. For example, the bot will auto respond with a voice if the user send the voice message as well. So you can actually enable that option as well and choose a specific voice as you like as well. Alright, and click save. So now we are done with the setup. So this can simply work on all these connected channels over here. So let's test this on the Facebook page connected right here. So here, if you see, this is the Facebook page connected, demo Chatic Media. So let me go to that specific Facebook page right here and send a message. So here, let me send a message over here. So let me say, what services do you provide? So here I'm actually asking a question right here. Let's see how this actually respond to us. So this will actually use the GPT 5.1 to respond to us. So here we receive the response right here saying provides full service interior exterior painting, home businesses, etc, etc. Simple as that. And here it also says they actually provide services in this specific area as well. So let me say, can you tell me the pricing for the interior services, especially for the homes? Alright, so I actually asked about the pricing for the interior services. So let's see what sort of response we are receiving over here. So here we received the response right here. For residential interiors, our pricing typically ranges from this one to this one, and here we have received a detailed pricing for specific rooms as well. For example, kitchen, this is the range, and for the bathroom this might be the range. Simple as that. Likewise, if you ask any sort of question, it's gonna simply respond to them based on the information we have already right here. So here let me ask one more question over here about their opening hours. Your opening hours. So here I am asking about the opening hours. Let's see how this actually respond to us over here. So it says our office hours are Monday to Friday 7 to 6 and Saturday 8 to 4, with emergency painting services available 24/7. So here, if you go to this specific AI agent, here you can find the opening hours right here. And here you have the option to add specific AI tools as well, where you can actually collect specific customer details. And also, if you enable connect user to human, it will automatically transfer the chats to the human agents as well. So here, if you go to the inbox, you can track all these conversation happening over here. So this is from the Facebook Messenger. Here, this is the customer chatting right here with all these questions, and it says bot is active as well. So if a particular customer's intent is to talk with a human agent, that will simply post the chatbot and transfer the conversation to the human folder as well. So currently this is the last chat in the human folder, but if you go to the bot folder, this is in the bot folder, and here you can also track conversations. We view all conversations as well. So now if I send a message right here asking about, can I talk with an agent please? So now this will silently transfer the chat to the humans. So here it says I have connected to with the human agent, and someone will continue the conversation as well. So now if I go to this particular inbox, you can see the bot is active is gone, and now you can track the same conversation through the human folder as well. So now in the human folder you see this conversation, and from here you can send any sort of messages as you like. And if you have created the appointment manager or calendars, you can even book appointments or create appointments on behalf of the specific customer as well. You can simply work on other connected channels too. And that's a quick video on how you can actually build AI agents powered by GPT 5.1. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.